So hey you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Bhumi Jaiswal और कैसे हो आप लोग? होप सो आप लोग अच्छे होंगे. जो भी आपका हाल समाचार है please comment down below. And so today, I mean not today but this vlog, I'm not giving a spoiler or something, but it's a sort of disclaimer that you're going to see everything, every activity or everything that I did in the whole week. So it's not a weekend vlog, it's a sort of whole week vlog. So I'm starting up with this series. If you guys will love it or like it and share all of your this thing love in the comment section below, I'll do it more frequent. And that's my sister. She does not want me to grow as in person, so she's disturbing me while I'm shooting my YouTube video. And
real hai.
is my sister who is using my iPad. I don't know what is she typing. The art and the artist.
Shut up.
Keep doing that to your sister. Yes, keep pulling it.
Mighty hands.
Very good. Just search through my pocket and look what I found. 10 रुपए का नोट. अब चलेगा भी कि नहीं, I don't know, but यार हम बनिया थोड़ा दुख होता है. Guys, this is so nostalgic. I could remember each and every phase, like when we went to Eden Garden to watch like CSK versus KKR, and just can't get out of that day. This is a glimpse from my like bhaiya and bhabhi ki shaadi. It was a cricket match organized, and this is team ladke wale, as you can see, and my jersey number was 23. And this is so me. I did nothing apart from fielding. Just maybe I don't remember if I did it right or wrong. I just don't remember. But yeah, we had a lot of fun that day. It was held in the year 2019. So now I'm going to do my exercise, and this is the pant my sister got me from Pima, and abhi tak tag bhi nahi khule. I'll just open this and show you this how it looks on me. I mean, I'm gonna try this for the first time.
At least they want to give up on the method. They say, no, I'm just going to cram a bunch of flashcards. I'm not going to be a word detective. Right?
Come here. I need to show my guys, YouTube fans, that YouTube audience, that this is my Nikita Didi.
Okay, you have to.
Why not use it? Okay, so it finally came out. अब ये बहुत दिन से ऐसे ही है, तो
This proves कि ये सिर्फ ढोंग करती है और योगा नहीं करती है. ये योगी नहीं ढोगी है.
योगी नहीं होता है, योगी नहीं.
Whatever that word is, she is ढोंगी. ढोंगी.
By the way, I'm wearing earbuds, so mic इधर है.
ढोंगी. मोटी बनी लूंगी. एक्सप्रेसिंग कर रहा है.
तो भूला कर जिया तो क्या जिया, अगर तुझ में दम है तो उसे पाकर दिखा, लिख दो खून से अपनी कामयाबी की कहानी और बाल उस किस्मत से कि दम है तो मिटा कर दिखा.
एक्सरसाइज में कुछ नहीं रहता. उठो. स्नैक्स का. Look at this beauty.
Done. Now I'm going to have this water because it's really essential. I don't keep myself hydrated, and that's why my sister always mocks on me like, why don't you drink water? So yeah, let's just drink this water. Back home and अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं like toast बनाकर खाने because I'm really hungry. और हालांकि I've had coconut water and this thing केला, but and finally we get to see this rain after so long, which is so relieving at the same time. And you see our compressor is still not on because light भी नहीं है proper कि compressor on होगा, AC चलता है. It's so chaotic right now.
मुझे दिन में 5 बार पॉटी आ गया क्योंकि मैंने ज़्यादा खा लिया गाइस.
You guys, और आज है Saturday and as usual I skipped my school. Right now अभी बज रहे हैं, it's 8:22 PM in the night and we have plans to go out and उसका vlog तो नहीं आएगा obviously. So if you do like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Until then, Jai Hind, goodbye.